boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Miss Summer.
Hi.
Miss Christiana.
Hi.
Mr. Daniel.
Hi.
And Mr. Carter.
Hi.
And today, boys and girls, we're going to be making pumpkin parfaits.
That sounds really good.
Does that sound good? And it's going to be fun too. And a parfait, you can choose any container you want. You can have a bowl, you can have a glass. I chose some pretty glasses, didn't I, today? Oh, and then we're going to layer. You guys are going to have fun, so watch, because you're going to want to make this at home, I know. Miss Cinda has already made a yummy pumpkin mixture for you guys. Look at this pumpkin cream. It's like a pumpkin pudding.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is this really made out of glass?
yours isn't, but mine is.
Because you can hear it.
See, look, listen. Now tap on yours. But see, here mine. Oh, does anyone want to? Oh, and you know what I'm going to do? I've given you some ginger snap cookies. And do you know why I put them in a bag like this?
Why?
Because we're going to crunch them up. So I'm going to borrow your, oh, no, you have your own rolling pin. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to move our recipe because we don't really need a recipe for this because I've already made your pumpkin cream. And boys and girls, if you want the recipe for this pumpkin cream, you can look on our Tiny Tot website, okay? Whoa! Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your rolling pin and you're going to press down and you crunch it into little crumbs. Big muscles.
Listen, look what I want to do.
Good job. No, you don't even have to hit it, Daniel. You can just roll it. Look at mine. See? We're making little pieces. And you know why we're putting it in a bag, boys and girls? Because we don't want to make a mess. If we would have just had this on the counter, it would be a mess, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And we don't want a mess. So you don't have to have it real little, guys, because we're going to layer this in our jars.
Can you help me?
Yeah, just look. You got to press down. You can take the handles. Look, like this. Take the handles and then see, look. And you can shake them up. Oh, that's very good, Carter. Very good, Daniel. You might want not so big ones. See, I'm spreading your cookies out so they're not in a big bunch. There, now let's try it. See? Gotta use some muscle, Christiana. Do you have some? Okay, show me those muscles. Good job. There you go. Good job.
Now I can dump mine in, huh?
No, well, no, we're not going to put it all in. We're just going to do a little bit at a time.
I see one that's big.
Oh, get it? Because you don't want real big pieces because then they won't fit good in your cup. While you guys are doing that, I'm going to get your non-dairy whipped topping. I have it kept in the refrigerator for you. Here, I'll give you each one because we're going to use this to layer too.
And also that.
What?
Also a pumpkin cream. Also a pumpkin cream.
Yeah, but wait until Miss Cinda shows you how to do it. You got some more big pieces. And you, look, Christiana, you can shake your bag up and turn it over, and then you can see those big pieces, see? Did you do that, Daniel? Did you take yours and let me get one more bowl of the non-dairy whipped topping. There we go.
That's for you, huh?
Yep, that's for me. Ooh, because this is delicious, boys and girls. I want to make one. Okay.
I'm going to use my knuckles to do this.
Yeah.
There. My knuckle did it. And my
like
Miss Cinda, if you do this, it breaks too.
Is that fun?
That works.
Listen to look that I'm doing. I'm about to crack one.
We sound like we're in a band.
Yeah.
You sound like drums. What do you think, boys and girls? Does this look like fun? Okay, how's everybody doing?
Good.
Okay, now let's make it sound like rain because we're shaking. Listen. Doesn't that sound like rain? That sounds just like rain. Okay, does yours pieces now? Now lay your bag back out. Does it look like you got little enough pieces?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Now, set your bag up, and you're going to open your bag, and let's put your glasses right here. Don't knock it over now. Now, put a few crumbs in the bottom of your cup.
And we start layering.
We're going to start layering. So put a few crumbs, and then you'll put a little bit of the pumpkin mixture Miss Cinda made. And then see how I'm spreading it out over the bottom? You see that, boys and girls? We're spreading it out over the bottom. Can you do that, Christiana? Or just take a handful and put it in. There, a whole big handful.
See, look what I did.
Good
He thinks
job.
It's good.
Good job. Good job, Summer. Okay, now you can put some of your pumpkin mixture in. And then use your spoon to get
Look at mine.
ooh, that looks good.
Nine.
Now put some of your non-dairy whipped topping and spread that around.
And I'm gonna get.
And then you got your topping? Okay, now put your non-dairy whipped topping. Here, this is yours. Put that in. Okay, you guys got that done? Now, some more crumbs. Does this look fun, boys and girls? And you know, you can make this with different kinds of cookies if you want. And if you don't like the pumpkin, you could make it a strawberry pudding or a strawberry or a lemon, or all kinds of different puddings. Okay, so see, I have more cookies. And then I'm going to put more of my pumpkin.
We love cookies.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? When I was a little girl, I loved cookies so much. Do you know what my grandpa called me?
What?
Cookie. He did. He didn't call me. He didn't say, "Here, Cinda, come here." He goes, "Come here, Cookie." That's what he called me. Because I liked cookies so much that my grandma, she would give us 2 cookies. She'd give us each, to be fair, 2 cookies. Do you know what I did?
What?
I ate a cookie, and then I put a cookie in my pocket for later. And a lot of times, I would forget my cookie was in my pocket, and my mommy would find it in the wash machine.
She found it in the washer?
Yeah, she did. Okay, put more.
Now I'm ready for my whipped cream again.
Okay, good job. And then you guys just keep layering it like that. You do the cookies, then the pumpkin, and then the non-dairy whipped topping. And then just keep going. Isn't this look yummy? And then guess what, boys and girls? We get to eat it. Is that the best part?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Oh, you know what? Do you guys like to be in the kitchen cooking?
Yeah.
Yeah. But you probably don't like to eat, do you?
I do.
Yes, we do.
Oh, you do like to eat?
I'm putting double layer of it on.
Wow.
Double layer.
Oh, I'm ready for some more cookies. I think you can leave a few cookies for the top. That'll make it look pretty too. Look at, I'm getting a whole bunch. Is yours getting pretty?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm putting my rest of my whipped topping on.
Ooh. And then when you get it all done, we're gonna eat it. Ah!
Cinda, it
What?
looks like I'm almost done.
You're almost done. You know what,
Cinda,
boys
look.
and girls, you could make this like if you're gonna get, you know, when you're helping your mommy make the Sabbath dinner on Friday, you could make this and then you could make everybody one and put them in the refrigerator, and then you could have a special dessert for Sabbath dinner. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Does that sound good?
Look what I did. I made mine look like snow.
You did, didn't you? That looks yummy. You can taste yours if you're done. Look what I'm doing. I'm going to put a few crumbs on top. What do you think? Doesn't that look pretty? Ooh, look.
That looks really nice.
You guys can start. Oh, what do you think? Is it good, Daniel? Daniel's already eaten his. He says, I've done enough of this. I'm going to eat it. I'm all done. Look. I got mine done.
I'm finishing up mine.
That's yummy. Oh, it's almost, that's our kitchen timer. And it's almost time for us to finish. So you guys finish and taste, and then we're going to clean up, okay? What do I say about cleanup?
We gotta take it to the kitchen sink.
We have to, but we have fun cleaning up, don't we? And boys and girls, anytime, whenever you're in the kitchen, cleanup is fun. We like to clean up because we all work together, don't we? Okay? I'm with Daniel. This is delicious.
Miss Cinda, look at mine.
Oh, these look so good, boys and girls. How's yours is beautiful too.
Okay,
you
Miss
taste
Cinda,
it?
I'm ready to eat.
Oh, well then eat. Because we'll each let you eat a little bit and then we need to clean up, okay? Oh.
This is good.
What do you think? Yummy? Okay. How about you guys take these bowls and put them in the refrigerator so they stay fresh, and then we can make some more of these this afternoon, okay?
Okay.
We'll let Christiana, you can taste yours first, and then you can put all this in the fridge. Here, kids, here's some more. We're helping. Everybody's helping clean up. Let's take all these to the fridge, because boys and girls, we need to work together and help clean up, don't we? Okay, you can take that, Daniel. Christiana, are you finished with this one? That's our kitchen timer. We're all out of time. Remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.